Okay, let's get started. This is chapter 10, using ratios and proportions or dimensional analysis to solve pharmacy calculations. So basically what this chapter is all about is ratio and proportions. Ratios are used to make comparisons between two things. When you express ratios in words, you use the word to. For example, you say the ratio of something to something else. Okay, a ratio can be written in several different ways: as a fraction, using the word to, or with a colon. So it can be written like this, or like this. Okay, that's a fraction, using the word to. Okay, or as a with a colon, the two dots. Okay, so all of this means the same thing. Okay. Equal ratios with two different ratios that may include different numbers when expressed as fractions, but can be reduced to the same fraction. So to find an equal ratio, you multiply or divide each term in the ratio by the same number, but not 0. Okay, so let's just get started into some of the problems that I was told you guys needed help with. All right, let's find them first. All right, so basically, number 1, it's asking for 5/8 equals 25 over 40. They want to know what the extremes are, okay, the extremes, and the means, okay? So in this case, the extremes would be 5 and 40, okay, and the means would be 8 and 25, okay, 5 and 40, 8 and 25, 8 and 25, okay? So basically what you're doing is crisscrossing. Okay, so now that's number 1 in the chapter. Number 2 is asking, fill in the blank for each pair of ratios to form a proportion. So a proportion is this, this to this. Okay, this to this. So in this case, you have 2/3 equals and 4 over what would make it a match. Okay, so all you have to do is you create this question mark into an X, and you translate it as 2x equals 12, and in this case you want to isolate the x, right? And your answer is 6. So x would equal 6 in this case. Okay, if we move on to number 3, you have 5/7. All right, and 15 over what would make this a proportion? So you get 5x over, equals 105, sorry, right? 7 times 15. Is 105, yeah. And then you didn't divide you isolate the x, okay, in order to get the x on its own so you can figure out what it means, right? So x would be 21 divided by 5, 21, yes. Okay, so that's what you do between questions 2 and 6. Okay, then between 7 and 15, it's a little opposite, but it's still the same thing. Okay, number 7 in chapter 10, pharmacy calculations, you have blank, which would be x, right, over 3, and I always say equals to, but it's and 4 over 6. Okay. In this case, you would get 6x, and 4 times 3 equals 12, and you isolate your x, and you get 2. In this case, you get 2. 6 goes into 12 2 times. Okay, same difference. And let's do one more just for shits and giggles. Okay, x, which is the blank, number 8, over 8, and 3 over 24. Whatever you don't know becomes the x. Okay, and then you crisscross. 24x equals 8 times 3, which would be 24. Okay. When you divide by the number, it always becomes 1. Okay. So x equals 1. And that is the same thing you do all the way down up until question number 19. Okay. I'll be back with some more examples as far as pharmaceutical examples. Thanks. Okay, so for chapter 10, we are continuing on with some calculations that you might find on your test. Okay, so let's start with question number 20. It states how many tablets will be taken in 7 days if a prescription order reads Zafirlukast 20 milligram tablets, 1 tablet twice a day. Okay, so first you need to find your daily dose, okay? Daily dose, 1 tablet twice a day is 2 tablets daily. Okay, 2 tablets daily, and because it's asking how many tablets will be taken in 7 days, you multiply your daily dose times the days that you need to complete the order, and you get a total of 14. Okay, number 21. How many capsules will be taken in 3 days if a prescription order reads tetracycline 250 milligram per capsule, 1 capsule 4 times a day? So in this case, how many capsules will be taken in 3 days if a prescription order reads tetracycline 250 per capsule, 250 milligram per capsule, 1 capsule 4 times a day? So your daily dose is 1 capsule 4 times a day. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, 4 capsules daily, and you need a 3-day supply, and you get 12 caps. Okay, number 22. How many tablets will be taken in 5 days if the prescription reads sucralfate 1 gram per tablet, 1 tablet 4 times a day? The fact that sucralfate is 1 gram per tablet is completely irrelevant in this case. So you are saying 1 tablet 4 times a day is your daily dose of 4. Okay, your daily dose of 4, and you need to know how many tablets will be taken in 5 days. Okay, so 4 times 5 days, 4 tablets a day times 5 days is 20 tablets. Okay, let's continue on to number 23. How many tablets will be taken in 10 days? Okay, so 10 days is your question. If your prescription order reads Zaliplan 5 milligram per tablet, again, the fact that Zaliplan is 5 milligram per tablet, in this question, it's irrelevant because it's not asking about strength, it's asking about how many tablets are going to be taken in 10 days. All right. If the prescription reads 1 tablet daily at bedtime, so 1 tablet daily at bedtime is just 1 tablet a day. 1 tablet a day for 10 days equals 10 days. Okay, number 24. How many tablets will be taken in 30 days if a prescription reads methylphenidate 10 milligrams per tablet, 1 tablet 3 times a day. So 1 tablet, all right, 3 times a day is a 3-tablet daily dose. 1 tablet 3 times a day is a 3-tablet daily dose. So your daily dose is 3, and you need to have a prescription filled for 30 days. Okay, your customer is going to need 30 days worth of this tablet. So in order to complete the order, you need 30 days worth of 3 tablets. So 3 times 30 is 90 tabs. Okay. And number 25. How many capsules are needed to fill a prescription for 30 days? For zidovudine 100 milligram capsules, 3 capsules twice a day. So 3 capsules twice a day is a 6 capsules of daily dose, right? So every day they're taking 3 capsules twice a day. So they need 6 capsules every day. And they need to prescribe, or they need to get a prescription for a 30-day supply. So 6 times 30 is 180. So they need 180 caps to fill this order. As far as the remaining questions, they should be done the same way. Let me see if I see anything different. Yes, from remaining 26, 27, all the way up to 37. And let's see if we can figure out number 41, I believe, has a little more to it. I didn't really read it, but we'll see. Okay, number 41. From 25 to about 40, it's the same thing, okay? Find your daily dose and multiply it by your day supply in order to get what you need to dispense. And that's it. Okay, number 41. Sudafed 30 milligram tablets contain pseudoephedrine hydrochloride and are available in boxes of 24, 48, and 96. So the box sizes. The box size comes in 24 piece, 48 piece, or 96 piece. Okay, this is number 41. The CME limit for sale is 146 tablets per day. So 146 tabs daily is the limit. What is the maximum number of boxes containing 48 tablets? So this is the number that we need to worry about. That could be purchased by an individual in one day. Okay, so this is simply 146 divided by 48. The reason why we're dividing is because you can only dispense boxes of 48, and boxes cannot break. So how many times does 48 go into 146? And the answer would be 3. Okay. So 3 packs is the most someone can get in order to follow the rules. I'm sorry, it's like 4 in the morning. Yeah, 4:30 in the morning. So I am a little bit drowsy, but I wanted to do this video for you guys. Okay. Number 42. Okay, chapter 10. Number 42 in chapter 10, pharmacy calculations. Children's Sudafed contains 15 milligrams pseudoephedrine over 5 ml and is available in bottles of 118 ml. So the pseudo is 15 milligram over 5 ml. Okay, this means the strength. This is the strength of the pseudoephedrine. Okay, and it comes in a 118 ml bottle. Okay, that's the size, and that's the strength. Size and strength. The limit for sale by the CMEA is 3661, so 3,661 ml every 30 days, okay? How many bottles of 118 ml can this person buy every 30 days? So all that means is that you divide this number, 3661, by 118. 3661 by 118, and you should get 31 bottles. Let me just double check. Yes, 31 bottles is the max that this person can purchase every 30 days. Okay. The fact that pseudo is 15/5 is not relevant in this question. What you need to pull from this question is that 118 ml is the package, and the maximum you can purchase every 30 days is 3661. So you divide your 118 into 3661 because that's what you're discussing, and you get the total that you need as far as bottles are concerned. And that should be it for chapter 10. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Thanks.